Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Millions of people breathe polluted air every day. Exposure to air pollution puts you at risk for lung cancer, heart attacks, stroke, and other serious illness. There are some foods which you can eat daily to detox your lungs. Eating them every day can clean your lungs to give you healthier and cleaner lungs. Now let us see what these foods are. 1. Pears. Chinese physicians believe that eating pears regularly can help to detox your lungs. According to traditional Chinese medicine, pears are good for your lungs. Eating pears help clean the lungs, which are overloaded with toxins due to the dry, smoke-filled air. Pears have the ability to clear toxins and moisten the lungs. Chinese likes to cook pear soup to detox their lungs. You just need to cut pears into cubes. Remember not to peel them. Put the pears cubes into a pot of water. Cook for 30 minutes using low heat. You can add red dates, goji berries or dry longans to it too to make it taste better. You can eat the pears directly too if you think it is troublesome to cook them. 2. Manuka honey. Manuka honey has antioxidants, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory properties, which helps to clear lung congestion. It helps your lungs to fight pollutants. This liquid gold natural sweetener has been used since ancient times to soothe lung irritation and treat various respiratory conditions, including asthma, tuberculosis, and throat infections. Manuka honey may also reduce inflammation in the bronchial tubes, airways within the lungs, and help break up mucus that is making it hard for you to breathe. Manuka honey could be useful in treating cystic fibrosis lung infection. Researchers have found that Manuka honey could be useful in treatment of deadly lung infections too. You can eat 2 tablespoons of Manuka honey every day, but remember not to eat more than 2 tablespoons daily, as it is high in sugar. If you are diabetic or are allergic to these products, speak to your doctor about taking Manuka honey. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you like my video. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified about my latest videos. Thank you.